Good evening, everyone. Good evening.
Good evening, sir. Sir,
Yes, so I just asked a few people to join. Uh, Among them is Sira Yogesh was one.
sir, is it okay if I stay or should I leave?
No problem, you stay.
Thing is, we were in physics class when you started the class with the same ID. That's why that class got disconnected.
Oh, okay,
Well, we were summarizing the class out. So,
okay. Chalo. Tell me, Yogesh, actually, I just asked you guys to join before. The reason behind asking you to join before is so to clear your doubts. And what is the reason behind getting less marks? And what was the problem? Diksha, you as well. Turn on your cameras, everyone. So, tell me, Diksha, what was the problem with you? Why couldn't you get like many marks? Like next exam onwards, I should see you guys above 90%. Hmm?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So what was the reason? What is your doubt? I mean, where did you make a mistake? And is there any problem to understand the concept?
Sir, in like 1 to 2 questions, I just got confused, so I just needed to practice them more.
Sorry, you need to practice them. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if you practice them well, so you can able to understand that, and you can just able to make it out.
Yes, sir.
Apart from anything, there any concept that you didn't really understand that?
Sir, there was one question.
Can you please talk loudly? I can't hear you.
Uh, there was one question. It was the area of in circle of an equilateral triangle is 154 centimeters. I didn't really get that one.
Yesterday we have solved, I think, no, that one
Yes, sir.
that you didn't get.
Yeah, I didn't get that.
Okay. Apart from that, I'm talking about any topic you are lacking with. I'm asking you whether is there any other topic you really don't know.
No, sir. I'm clear with the concepts in linear, any pair of linear equations in two variables.
Okay, you are clear with all the concepts.
Yes, sir.
Good. Okay, what about, so you don't have any doubts, you don't have any problems, you are clear with all concepts. So you need a bit of practice so that you can make it perfect.
Yes, sir. I'll practice more.
Yeah, you practice. I should see you in top five. I mean, top, not top five, top like above 90%, not top five, above 90%. I should see.
Yes, sir.
So let me show you one thing here. And what about the Yogesh? What is the problem and why you are not able to score every time?
Sir, I'm lacking in inscribed sums and also.
Okay, no, 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 no. So you're lacking in the concept where inscribed and subscribed, something like that. About that blood circle.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, no problem. See, you just look at this here. We have solved the questions related to that. We have discussed the questions related to that. Please go to that. Solve different questions. Come up with that. There is nothing. అక్కడ ఏం పెద్ద కాన్సెప్ట్ లేదు అక్కడ. Simple concept. We don't have much big concept over there, isn't it? Look at this here. Can you able to see the screen here?
No, yes, sir.
Now look at this here. So Diksha. So I don't see the improvement in last week also 75 and this week also only 75%. So that's why. Anudeep, okay. Yogesh, you got like bit improved. So 37.5 it was in the last exam. And this exam we got 56.25. I should see you above 90. Like eventually you must grow that. You must improve that. Clear? And Diksha, you are 75, right? Like I should see you in next exam above 90. All right.
Yes, sir.
Clear? Yes. So chalo. Now if you have if you are not and if you are not clear with any doubts, actually you can just ask the doubts, no problem. If you don't come up with your doubts, I never understand what the problem with you all. So the only thing you are saying that there is a practice. So you are clear with the concept, but you need a practice bit. That's what you guys are saying.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes. Good evening, Amrita. Very good, Sira. I'm lagging in these calculations. Okay. You please solve that sums, and if you don't get any sums, so you just come up with that sum. Okay. Sira Yogesh. Yes. Amrita, tell me.
Yes,
Hello.
sir.
Tell me, do you have any doubts?
No.
So let me 1 second. Let me share the screen. Everyone, please turn on your cameras. Don't turn off your cameras, kindly. Look at this here. Can you able to see? So last time, Amrita, you was 76.25, and this time you got 81.25. So okay, but like I should see you about 90 in the next exam. Okay, Amrita.
Okay, sir.
I should see you about 90 percentage in the next exam.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes, definitely. So will the sum is what is that? 1 second. Sira is asking one question. Okay. What is that? The area of in circle of an equilateral triangle. I think we have discussed it, this, no? Yogesh? 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 I think
Yes, sir.
maybe texting here. Okay, you want me to discuss it again?
Yes, sir. Once.
Okay, look at this here. The area of incircle of an equilateral triangle of side is side how much? 42 centimeters. Look at this. Actually, this is a bit simple question only. Need not to worry about it. देखो वन सेकंड, अनुदीप इज जॉइनिंग, लेट हिम जॉइन। देखो दिस अ ट्रायंगल, एक मिनट। Oh, well the answer. Question is completed. This is the question. The area of the in circle. First to draw a triangle. People are joining. Just a minute. Let me update all these guys. See, this is my circle. The area of in circle. The area of in circle of a triangle. So first we have to draw a triangle.
Sir, did you share the screen?
Oh my goodness, I'm writing without sharing. One second. Yes, this is a triangle. So if inside, if I have a square like this, circle also. So this is a circle I have. Inscribed means area the inscribed of an equilateral triangle. Can you please pose the full question here? I think we have, no, 1 second. Can you please pose the full? I think we have the question last class. It is last class. No, no, we didn't discuss this last. Full. This is a full question. Yes. So this is triangle A, B, C. देखो ये मेरा center है. This is my center here. ठीक है. So now this is a radius. Guys, this circle will be touching to this. This circle will be touching to this actually. Oh. No, 1 second, guys. Let me make a proper. Okay. This is a circle have touching all the sides. It's a center O. Okay, this is a radius, this is a radius, this radius, this radius, this radius. Every we have all, these all are radius, isn't it? Yes or no? Yes or no? So what we have to find out now, or else now this is the diameter, and this is the one I could make. This is the 1 point. All right. Now here, look at this. What he has given. Equilateral triangle. So this is a 42. Array, 1 second. This is a 42. This is a 42. This is also 42. Equilateral triangle means all sides will be equal, right? So this will be radius, this will be radius, this will be radius, this will be radius. All these are radiuses, right? Let us just mark this point as some m, this as n, this as mnp. Okay, mnp. I'm just marking this as mnp. So now look at this. This is my center. Here OP is equal to ON is equal to OM is equal to radius. Yes or no? Yes or no? We have to find area. Area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle OAM try to understand this. Very good question. Very good question, Sira. So area of triangle OAM plus area of triangle OMB plus area of triangle OC OCA. Is that clear? So area of triangle OAM OAB, sorry, OAB, that OAB, and area of triangle. Now look at this. I'm just finding the area of this triangle, area of this triangle, and area of this triangle. Area of this yellow color triangle and red color triangle. Okay. So look at this now. OAB, OBC here. OBC. 1 second, guys. Here OBC plus area of triangle OCA. All right. I'm just finding the area of all these triangles. So that what will happen? Area of, I could find out that. Isn't it? You understand? Let me make the diagram clearly. If you know the diagram, guys, properly, then it is very easy to understand actually. If you understand the diagram clearly, then only you can understand it clearly. All right. So look at this. I'm just marking the circle here. Try to understand this one. So this is my center. This is my A. This is my B. This is my C. Clear? Is that clear with everyone? So this is my radius. I could just extend this through center. All right. So let us say some n point here. And this, if I just make some point P here. And if I just, so this circle will be touching over here. So M and P. All right. Look at this. Now I'm just finding the area of these triangles. The area of this triangle. Okay. So if I find out that I can just cover this area of the circle, isn't it? Yes or no? You understand, boys or girls? Boys and girls. I'm just, look at this here. I'm just finding area of this as well. And after that, I'm finding area of this one as well. That's what I have done here. So as I know that area of equilateral triangle is what? What is the formula? Root 3/4 Root 3 by 4. A square. A square means what is A value here? A value is 42. A is 42. 42 whole square is equal to half of this. What is triangle area of triangle OAB? Area of triangle OAB. What is that? Half into base. What is base here? Base is what? Radius. Base is what? Radius, guys. So look at that. So base into height. What is height here? AB. OAB. So AB is my height here. So similarly, just find out that half of OBC. What is base? R into BC plus half into radius into CA rows. Here. So area of circle. Very, very good question, Sira. Guys, are you listening the class here? Guys, are you listening the class?
Yes,
Are you
sir.
here? Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So half into. So R by 2, R by 2. Can I take R by 2 common everywhere? So AB plus BC plus CA. Yes or no, guys? So AB plus BC plus CA means what? All sides are equal. So AB. So this is 42, this is 42, this is 42. Every side is equal. So now look at this here. Root 3 by 4 into 42 is equal to R by 2. 42, 42, 42. So can I write 42 plus 42 plus 42? 42 3 times. So how much? 126. So root 3 by 4. Here 42 into 42 you do. And R by 2 here. Here 42 into 3, right? 42 into 3 I can write, right? 42 3 times means 42 into 3. So one time I can cancel. For me, I'm making my calculation easy. That's what. I'm finding R value here. Look at this. How can I find out? 2 2s are 2 21s are. Here and here 2 2 will be getting cancelled. R value is equal to what now? R value is equal to root 3 into 21 in divided by 3. So here root 3 into root 3. This will be getting cancelled. So R is equal again 27, 21 can be written as 7 into 3. 7 into 3. 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3 by root 3. So what is my radius? 7 root 3 is my radius. Clear? 7 root 3 is my radius. Is that clear? So now therefore area of circle is what? Therefore area of circle is what? Pi r square, which means 22 by 7 into r is what? 7 root 3 whole square. So 22 by 7 into 49 into 3. 7 sevens are. So 21 into 22. 21 into 22, how much? 22 into 21, 21, 42, no, 40, 46, for 462. This is the answer, clear. Yogesh, is that clear?
Yes.
I hope it is clear with everyone. Chalo, next. Any doubts, guys?
Sir, I had texted you yesterday about the question I had in the worksheet.
Yes, can you please share that question again
Yes, sir.
in the chat box?
1 second.
Sir, if you check your WhatsApp, the question I was talking yesterday, I have sent you that question, sir.
You want me to go for the WhatsApp now?
So this is the 25th question of the worksheet.
25th question of the
Worksheet, I sent it on the chat box.
have you sent very okay, okay. Okay, let me. So, what is the question? This is the question. So, given a circle radius, let me share the screen. Look at this. Guys, how many of you found this answer? Look at this. Who is joining now? Huh. Let me tell you the answer. Can you able to see the screen?
Yes, sir.
People are joining late. Given a circle radius, देखो एक सर्किल बना लो, ठीक है? सो इसका रेडियस कितना है? जिसका रेडियस सेंटर होगा, इसका सेंटर कुछ 9 दिया है, 9 सेंटीमीटर. And the length of the chord AB given. So length, let us say take this a point A here. कोई भी chord मान लो ये, this a chord, okay. Length of the chord AB given what? 9√3 centimeter. And find the area of the sector formed by arc AB. So look at this now. If I just make a triangle over here, look at this. This is center. Look at this. So this is AB, right? So
Sir, why did you make two triangles?
sorry,
What was the need to make two triangles?
what he is asking for? The find the length of this circle which cuts. No. We look at it. Can you please pose the full question? Is the full question?
Yes, sir. This is the entire question given in the worksheet.
Okay.
Sir,
The length of the chord AB is at 9√3. This length. Look at this. You just take a chord AB like this. Length of the wait. This is my chord AB. Yeah. This is A. This is B. This 9 centimeter given.
so we can place that chord anywhere, right?
Yeah, you can place. No matter.
So, sir, why can't we draw it just that the diameter? Diameter is also a chord, right?
Yeah.
So with that we can
Nine.
make a
So
semicircle.
you are saying this is a √3.
Yes, sir.
Okay. But you
9.
know, that's clearly mentioned that one, right? So radius is 9. So let us write let's write separately, no problem.
Because it will become easy because that will form a semicircle, right? We can directly find the area of the semicircle.
Yeah. I understand your point. Look at this one. So
But sir,
here,
it would not match up because given that the length of the chord is 9√3, but then if we take as the diameter, that would be 18 centimeters.
Look at it.
9√3 is not.
1 second. Look at this here. Let me write here. This is my AB here. This is my center. इफ आई मेक अ ट्रायंगल हियर, ठीक है, ये हो जाएगा ट्रायंगल हो ये भी। सो दिस इज माय रेडियस, कितना 9 दिया है। सो रेडियस का मतलब या दिस रेडियस मतलब one side is given 9 centimeters, so OA is equal, now this is also radius, no, so OA is equal to radius here, so this 9 centimeters, OB is also radius, तो ये तो क्या हो जाएगा, ये भी 9 centimeters। आया समझ?
Yes, sir.
9 centimeters, so OB is equal to R, तो ये भी 9 centimeters। Everyone try to understand, and AB is equal given, ये तो given है। I request everyone to turn on their cameras। AB is equal 9√3 centimeters। Now look at this here. What do you have to find? Find the area of the sector formed by an arc. Formed by an arc AB. Is talking about arc AB. Guys, arc AB ना एक formula होता है arc AB का. This is a like out of the box question, not from your syllabus actually. Guys, this is not has been taught to you, arc and all. So we'll be having a formula. You can see now if I talk about AB square plus OA square plus OB square minus 2 times of OA into OB into cos of triangle AOB. This is the formula you will be having. Look at this, a base square is equal to OA square plus OB square minus 2 times of OA OB into cos theta of this one. So AB square is 9√3 whole square, OA square given 81 plus 81 minus 2 times of 9 into 9, 81 into cos of angle AOB. ठीक है, so how much here? 81 into 3, 81 into 3 here is equal to 2 times of 81 here, or else you find it out here. 81 plus 81 162 minus 162 cos of AOB. आ रहा है समझ? You understand, children?
Sir, what is the formula? Sorry, sir. What is the formula for area of sector?
Area of circle is pi r square. Now look, I'm talking about here. Look at this. He is asking about find the area of the sector. What is sector here we have? What is the sector we have?
Sir, AB and that arc.
AB and
That arc, sir.
arc. Look at this. Now if I just AB and arc, this is a my.
So if you also name that one point on that arc O, then we can name it AOB.
For finding this, look at this. Find the area of the sector formed by ABR. So this is what we have to find out, guys. Did I teach the formula of this? No, right? We didn't have.
No, sir.
We didn't have this thing in your syllabus. So yeah, probably no problem. See, this is how you can solve. But you guys, this.
But sir,
Sorry.
for the sector, we need it's AOB would be the sector, right? What you highlighted with the yellow marker would be a segment.
Yeah, AOB.
Area of sector minus area of.
This is what we have to find out. This is what we have to find it out. Okay. This is what you have to find out. Find the area of the sector formed by the arc AB. आया समझ? So now if I just look at this.
So is the triangle equilateral?
No. Why could it be? How can it be, man? Look at the radius. This is the base here. I mean, this is a diameter. How come it is an equilateral triangle? It can't be, isn't it?
No, it's isosceles.
Yes, it's an isosceles. So what do you get here? 81 into 3. So 162. तो मुझे क्या मिलेगा देखो 81 into 3 कितना मिलेगा 243 तो minus 1 no is equal to 162 common so 1 minus cos of angle AOB. So cos of angle AOB, look at this, let me like instead of writing every time AB AOB let us write theta simply. Can I write? मैंने लिख सकता हूँ ना ऐसा भाई मैंने हर बार instead of writing all this stuff Calculate theta. So here theta is equal to angle AOB. ये थोड़ा समझ लीजिए, ठीक है। तो देखो मुझे 1 minus cos theta, तो now what can I write? Now 1 minus cos theta is equal 243 divided by 162.
3 by 2.
8
It goes by 81 because we multiplied by 3.
yeah 80. So 1 minus cos theta is equal to 3 by 2. So cos theta is equal to what? 1 minus 3 by 2. Cos theta is equal to minus 1 by 2. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So minus 1 by 2, when it is possible? At what angle it is possible? So cos theta, so theta is what here?
Sir, we didn't learn the minus values. I know that cos 60 degrees is 1 by 2, but it's not minus.
So minus, let it be, no problem. 1 by 2, 1 by 2 can be written as what?
Cos 60.
Cos 60, 120, what is cos 120? 90 plus 30, sin 30. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
90, so sin minus, so minus 1. So minus 1. So yes, I can write this as minus sin minus
Sin.
cos 120. Minus cos 120 how much? Or cos
Sir,
120? Simply cos 120.
Theta is
Cos 120.
So
Cos-
theta is 120, sir.
So theta is equal to 120 degrees.
No, sir, you remove that minus sign.
No. Look at this here. Minus as it is, I wrote 1 by 2 in place of 1 by 2 can be written as what? What is 1 by 2? 1 by 2 can be written as what?
Cos 120. So theta is minus 120, sir.
If you are not.
Sir, you're saying that minus 1 by 2 is cos 120 degrees or 1 by 2 is cos 120 degrees?
No. Look at this here. Minus 1 by 2 is that minus 1 by 2 as it is. You let it be. Minus I'm writing as it is. 1 by 2 can be written as what? Cos 120. Can I write? Cos 120 how much? Cos 120 how much? Cos 90 plus 30. 90
Sin
plus 30 means sin 30. Sin 30 means 1 by 2. 90 plus the second quadrant, so minus 1 by 2. Minus
Sir,
1 by 2. Or else you can write minus 1 by 2 straight away. Minus 1 by 2 can be written as cos 120 straight away. Now theta is equal to 120. Cos goes. Theta is equal to 120. Clear?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, otherwise, instead of doing that, we can minus sign is already there. So cos
Yeah,
theta
that is what.
minus of minus.
Yes. That is also correct. That is also correct. So minus 1 by 2 straight away can be written as cos 120. Cos 120 is minus 1 by 2.
So after changing into plus 1 by 2, you have changed into cos 120.
Oh, no. Cos 120 itself minus 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 2 in place of minus 1 by 2, I wrote cos 120. That's all. Clear?
Okay, sir. Okay. Clear.
Look at this. Why? Cos 120 answer is minus 1 by 2. So in place of minus 1 by 2, I can write cos 120. So theta is 120 now, which means angle AOB is what? 120. This is, I'm telling you, it's somewhat advanced concept, which is not required, but you asking, I'm telling you.
It
So
was in the worksheet.
Clear one, sir.
yeah, but no. From worksheet also, I'm telling you, whatever in your syllabus, just do solve that only. Don't go for that. Don't go for any other thing apart from your syllabus. I mean, like more, beyond your syllabus. Solve whatever it is in your syllabus. Okay. So now we have to find area of what? We have to find the area of arc AB, right? We have to find arc, like area of arc OAB. We have to find out. We have a formula. What is the formula? Theta by 360 degrees into pi r square. So theta is what here? 120 divided by 360 into 22 by 7 into radius is 9 into 9. Clear? 121, 123 times 3 ones are 3 threes are. Aaya samajh?
Yes, sir.
So
594 by 7.
So how much you get here? 23. You do one thing. 66 by 7 into 9. So 66 into 9, how much? 66, 9 by 7. Calculate this, you will get the area of arc OAB.
84.85 centimeters square.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Hmm. Tell
sir,
me.
public chat I've also sent
Find
the
the
question.
1 second. Find the area. Find the area of the sector formed by AB. You have to find out area of the sector. This one. So look at this. Very, very good question. Wonderful question. Be careful here. What is the answer? Tell me here.
84.85 centimeters square.
84.85.
85.
So we can write 85 directly.
You can write. No problem. So now, so we need area. We need area of RKB, right? Area of arc AB only is asking for. So now look at this. For finding this, now what I should do? Area of arc OAB minus.
Sir, I think the problem is done. It's asking for the area of the sector, not the area of the arc.
What is asking for?
Sir,
Area of the
Area of the sector.
formed by
formed
AB.
by the arc.
Formed by RKB. That is what we are finding. We didn't do, man. Still the
But
answer
sir,
is
the answer that is given in the what do you call it, the worksheet, it says the answer is 84.85 centimeters square.
1 second. The question is find the area of the sector formed by arc. Find the area of the sector formed by RKB. Yes.
Yeah, that would be the minor arc, just so that we don't take the major arc.
Sir, how would we find area of the arc? It is a line, right, sir? To be very
Sorry? We just found this OAB. We just found this. We just found this. Our area of arc OAB we found, but I'm just trying to find area of arc AB now. So how can I find it out? Area of arc OAB minus area of OAB. If I do so, what I'm going to get, look at this. 84.85 minus area of OAB is what? What is area of OAB?
84.85. Wait, area. Sir, how can there be an area for an arc?
No. Correct only.
that's what, sir.
Yeah. Area of RKB. Yes, correct. 84.585 is right answer. We can.
Yes, sir.
I think look at this kind of concept I taught you in the last introduction part of the circles, area related to circles. Yes. But not same concept, but it was somewhat easier. No, we were talking about this. We were talking about only this formula. But not
Sir?
this much. Yes.
When we get to cos theta is equal to -1/2, is it also like a table for values beyond 90 degrees?
Cos theta is equal to minus, what do you get? I didn't understand you.
Is there definite values for theta beyond 90 degrees?
Yes. Yeah, you have every, for every value, cos 1 degree, cos 2 degree, sin 2 degree, every value you will be having, but we have a table for that. We will be having a table for that. If any cos they are asking you beyond that, they'll be mentioning the values in bracket. Don't worry. Okay.
Yes, sir.
If they're asking you, they'll be mention the value. They'll be mentioning you the values in bracket of that particular question so that you can just write it. Chalo. Next, I think we have done with our areas related to circles chapter.
Answer the incorrect question of the test.
Which one?
I've sent it, sir, in the chat.
1 second.
Sir, we don't have area of segment formula, right?
Acha, this one. Sorry, tell me.
Area of segment formula.
Why, what's happening? Pen is not writing. Yes, look at this. Someone who was asking the question? Who was asking the question?
I was asking it, sir.
Yes, tell me.
I was asking for questions 27 and 28 and also 29. It's asking for the area of the segment. We didn't do area of segment.
Area, that's out of, you don't have in your concept actually, but we have a formula for that as well. This is a line segment, right? Now this is my center, this is my radius. This is my radius. Formula for you have a formula called like half into radius into theta minus sine theta. This is a formula.
So, sir, do I have to do the 27, 28, 28?
No. You
question?
just don't solve the problem which is you are out of the syllabus. Don't worry. You can just leave that. Tell me which question. Which question, Anudeep? If the system of the equations kx minus 5y has no solution, then k value. For no solution, what is the condition?
Sir, A1 by A2 equals to B1 by B2, not equals to C1 by C2.
Then what? Your answer is not matching.
No, not matching, sir.
One second. Though. Kx minus 5y is equal to 2. 6x plus 2y is equal to 7.
No solution.
Can you see I'm writing something here?
No, sir, I can't.
Yes.
Sir, you also need to charge your laptop. It's almost to die.
Yeah, I need to charge one second. I'm writing something, guys. It pen is not right. Just a minute. Give me time.
Sir, I think you paused screen sharing, sir.
No. Screen share is there. I'm sharing the screen. That's I checked already.
Sir, I think you can reshare if it's not working. Sir, now it's working, sir. Now it's working.
Can you see it now? Okay, look at this. So A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. This is a condition for no solution, right? So value of A, right? Value of K. So
A by 6.
K by 6 is equal to
Minus 5 by 2.
not equal to
2 by 7.
So now look at this here. K
Minus
value is simply 2k is equal to minus 30. K value is minus 15. K value is minus 15, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
But okay. Acha, option C given. Okay. That is a wrong there. That is a wrong question, children. 1 second. Let me
No, sir, it's right.
Oh, sir, the question is correct.
Well,
Option
option,
D
that's-
is
yeah, yeah.
minus 15,
That's
and
what
it's
I meant.
also given.
That is what I meant to say.
It's right. Sorry, sir.
Question is right only, but I mean, the way of giving the options is wrong. That's what I meant to say. One second, let me correct that question.
Sir, it's correct
It's
because
right, sir.
option D is given as minus 15. We got minus 15, and correct answer is also minus 15.
There's nothing wrong, sir. I made a mistake. Sorry.
No. Option. Your answer is, oh, I think, no. I thought you shared your option. You shared your answer,
No,
right?
sir, I copied everything which was there. So
Okay.
our answer is C.
Got it. What I thought is your answer is means they have given the answer as C here.
No, sir.
No, that's what I. Okay. No, D is correct. Option D is correct only given. Huh? Oh, correct answer D given. Right answer.
Yes,
Of course,
you are
right.
sir.
Yes. Tell me, guys, any doubts?
No, sir, no doubt.
No
Yes.
doubt, sir.
What about others? What about others? Tell me.
No doubt, sir.
Yes. So one second. Let us have a look at the syllabus.
Sir, please.
So next we are going to start with the probability. Probability. Tell me, children, what do you mean by probability actually?
It is the chance of an event occurring.
Chance of occurring something. Everyone turn on your camera. I request everyone to turn on your cameras. The chance of occurring something, isn't it? The chance of occurring something. When do we use probability basically? What are the basic update? Let us talk about introduction only. Everyone turn on your cameras. Yes. Tell me, what do you mean by probability? Area of the chance, not area of the chance of occurring of something. The chance of occurring something. Look at this. Probability means, when do we use probability? Basically, when we are not sure about something, when we are unsure about something. ठीक है, देखो हम लोग अभी एक, let us talk about something. Now you didn't write your annual test. I mean, you didn't write your final exam, right? You're going to write your final exam, but you're unsure about your result. You're not sure about your result, that how much you're going to get, isn't it? There's a probability of getting 100% in exam. There's a probability of getting 95% in exam. There's a probability of getting 50% in exam. There is a chance, isn't it? Isn't it? You understand my point? Yes. There is a chance of getting different results. So now, that is what, in these cases, in these conditions, we'll use probability basically. All right. Next, look at this now. Look at this now. Probability, right? So now look at this, probability we use. Now, if you talk about exact definition, let me give exact definition. And guys, what are the applications? What are the applications you can just talk about? Whenever you are dying something, look at this, you have a die, let us flipping a coin. What is the possibility of getting? What is the possibility of? What is the possibility of getting this? What are the possibility results? It could be a head or it could be tail, isn't it? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Ah. Best example is tossing a die or tossing a coin. Is that clear? Now look at this. First, right? Everyone start writing here. In mathematics, in mathematics, that measures uncertainty. That measures the uncertainty. Uncertainty of the occurrence of an event. Occurrence of an event using numbers called probability. All right. In mathematics, so that measures the uncertainty. Uncertainty means what? The things which we are not sure about something. Uncertainty of the occurrence of an event using numbers. All right. So now look at this. Now, basically, what are the terms you have? What are the terms? What are the other terms you have under probability? You can just write one in a few more words. You can write simple the quality. Let me write the quality or state of being probable. State of being probable, isn't it? All right. Being probable, being some prospect, I would say. Isn't it? The quality or state of being possible and the extent. Look at this, the extent or you write the extent. Proper definition you want me to give. This is a proper definition I could give you. The extent to which something is likely to happen, or it could be the same. Or be the same. You could just say tell that look at this, a quality or state of being probable, the extent to which something likely to happen or be the same. That is what called as probability. Now tell me under probability, what are the terms, what are the terminologies we can learn? So tell me now first, what is event? You write terminologies. Terminology. I would say simply say terminology. So first you tell me that event. What do you mean by event? What are the terminology we can talk about in probability? Actually, event. Event is a one term which you need to learn about. In probability, event is the most. What do you mean by event? Tell me. Before learning, let us talk about event. Before learning event, we'll talk about outcome. What do you mean by outcome? Tell me. What do you mean by outcome?
Sir,
It's the result of an event.
Yes, an outcome is what? A result of an event.
in simple words, outcome means it may happen.
Yes. Outcome is output, result of a random experiment. Of a random experiment. What do you mean by random experiment?
Anything moving
Anything
around.
which, yes, anything which could happen, any event which could happen. Right? Example. Example, when we toss a coin, or when we flip a coin, play coin, getting head is an outcome, isn't it? So there is a chance of getting two outcomes. It could be tail, or it could be head, isn't it? So that is what outcome. Outcome is a result, basically result of some experiment. We are experimenting. What experiment we are doing here? Flipping a coin. That is an experiment. We are doing that experiment. From that experiment, getting a head or getting a tail is an outcome, right? So event. What do you mean by event here? What do you mean by event?
Sir, you said, right, it's a random experiment.
Yes.
That is an event.
An event is a set of outcomes. Is set of outcomes. Example, look at this. Event means when we roll a die, dice, the probability of getting a number is less than 4 is an event. Okay, look at this here. Event means what? Event is a set of outcomes. Set of all outcomes is called as event. For example, let us say when we roll a die. For suppose we are playing any game, like we are rolling a die. Let us say we are playing Ludo. Okay, we roll a die, isn't it? So when we roll a die, the probability of getting a number is less than 4 is an event. Less than 2, probability of getting a number less than 2 is an event. Probability of getting a number less than 5 is an event. That is an event, isn't it? A note. Everyone write a note here. An event can have a single outcome also. Need not to be many outcomes. It could have a single event, a single outcome also. Clear? You understand, children? Any doubts here? So this is a basic introduction, and we have few more terminologies. Let's talk about that in the next class. No problem. And guys, is there any doubt here? Probability means basically a quality or state of being probable. Quality means, the probability means what? A quality or state of being probable, or the extent to which something is likely to happen or be the same. All right. So that is what called as probability. Probability. When do we? What can anyone of you please tell me? What are the applications of probability? Anyone of you? Yes. When we compare two things, very good. When we compare two things.
So can you repeat your question?
I'm asking you what are the applications of probability?
Certain cricket matches, they make probability that this guy will hit a century.
Sir, we can use it to find out the risks and the probability of something being successful in order to carry it out, in order to make a decision about carrying it out.
Yes.
Sir, it is also used in
Sir, we can also make chances of something which is like taking place.
What
it's
else?
also used in stocks, sir, to judge the price of the stock. We
Hmm,
take
to
profit.
judge the price of a
Stock
share value.
share value.
Exactly. To judge the price value of a Bitcoin. I mean, like, cryptocurrency. Isn't it? To judge the price value, a
Yes,
share
sir.
value.
Yes, sir.
Sir, it's also used in weather.
Sorry? In weather forecast.
Weather.
Very good. Everywhere probability chapter is being used. Right. There is need not to, there is no such rule that we will be using probability in this area only. Everywhere use, everywhere. Without even realizing ourselves, we are using probability in our daily life. Do you know that? Do you feel that? Are you getting my point? What I'm trying to say here? Without even without realizing ourselves, so we are using probability in our daily life. All right. Yes. So guys, this is what the today's class is all about. And you just, if you have any doubts, still you come up with your doubts. Probability is our last lesson. So after finishing probability, we'll definitely every day we'll have quiz. Quiz in the sense I'll be conducting online quiz, and every day we'll be having doubt session. We'll have different we'll try to solve different questions on the everyday basis. All right, beta. Clear? All right. And please try to be on time. Please try to finish your worksheets. And from worksheets, if there's any problem which is out of your syllabus, please leave that and go for the next question. Clear? Thank you.
Thank you, sir.